Locate the bulb you intend to replace.
Turn the wheel to give yourself better access to the lining.
Disengage the fastener by giving it a quarter turn.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Pry out to release the fastener.
Pull away the wheel well lining for access to the bulb assembly. The wheel well lining can be pretty rigid and sometimes sharp, so it's a good idea to have a pair of gloves before attempting this repair.
Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Never touch the bulbs with bare hands. The oils on your fingers can create hot spots and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Use rubbing alcohol to wipe off the bulb if you touch it. We recommend Sylvania's Silver Star Ultra bulbs for whiter light, better clarity, and the most downroad performance. Sylvania also offers a direct install replacement option to easily upgrade from traditional bulbs to LED lights, providing you with longevity, performance, and style. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb. Replace the wheel well lining. Tuck the lining behind the lip of the bumper.
When you put this fastener back in, just make sure that the part that you need to turn with the flathead is vertical, and just push it back in.